Heat Gun is one of the best-kept secrets in an avid DIYer's toolbox. These handy tools resemble hairdryers by pulling in air with a fan and then pushing it across a heating element and through a nozzle to produce superheated air. Remove product labels or old bumper stickers, strip paint, heat shrink plastic, soften super glue, and apply vehicle decals. What's up guys, today you'll take a look at the best heat guns you can buy right now. We'll try to help you find the right one for your needs. To see the most up-to-date prices, you can check out the links in the description below. If you are new here, do subscribe and press the bell icon for the latest video. Without wasting any time, let's jump into the video. Number 5. LDK Mini Heat Gun. Maneuverability and control are highly sought-after traits, especially when it comes to power tools because users are often working in tight spaces or need incredible control to avoid damaging the material they are working with. This mini heat gun measures just 8.7 inches long and 2 inches in diameter. It has a 4.9-foot power cable and weighs only 0.68 pounds, making it ideal for working on sensitive electronics, making cell phone repairs, or removing paint from tight corners and edges of a room. The heat gun can be set to one of two temperature settings. The low setting ranges from 392 degrees Fahrenheit to 482 degrees Fahrenheit, while the high setting ranges from 572 degrees Fahrenheit to 662 degrees Fahrenheit. This heat gun also has a built-in stainless steel stand and a nozzle safety shield, though the movement is limited by the power cord. Number 4. Xpeoo Heat Gun Kit. Choose between the low gear, marked by a 1 on the trigger for a heat range of 122 to 572 degrees Fahrenheit, or opt for the high gear, marked by a 2 on the trigger for a wider heat range from 122 to 1220 degrees Fahrenheit. When the job is done, just flip the switch to the center to turn off the heat gun. During use, the heat can be further controlled by turning the variable temperature dial located on the back of the tool. When a project requires 2 hands to support the material, this heat gun can be placed on the flat base for hands-free support. It also comes with 5 nozzles and 5 scraper tools to help remove paint, caulk, and other adhesive materials. Users can keep an eye on the current temperature just by glancing at the digital temperature gauge on the side of the heat gun. Number 3. SeekOne Heat Gun. SeekOne's heavy-duty heat gun is the perfect tool for a variety of serious projects because of its wide temperature range of 120 degrees Fahrenheit to 1202 degrees Fahrenheit. The gun comes with 4 nozzles for various applications and features a heating mode and a cool-down mode for safer storage once you're done using it. You can adjust temperatures with the control dial on the back of the gun. The heat gun has 2 fan speed settings, labeled low and high, and has a 5.25-foot cord for increased freedom of movement while using it. Number 2. Porter Cable Heat Gun. Porter Cable's heat gun features a 6-foot-long cord for maximum maneuverability and an integrated hands-free support stand for projects that require 2 hands. A variable temperature control dial on the side of the gun can adjust the heat within a range of 120 degrees Fahrenheit to 1150 degrees Fahrenheit. While that isn't the widest temperature range out there, it is more than sufficient for household tasks and even some industrial tasks, like stripping paint. The high and a low fan setting controls the flow of air through the heat gun, and an integrated hanging hook is great for storage. Number 1. ENERTWIST 1500 Watt Heat Gun. Work with one hand while the other holds or supports the target material with this compact and versatile heat gun. If 2 hands are required to support the material, then simply place the heat gun on the non-slip base for hands-free use. It comes with a 12.5 amp motor and a built-in overload protection system to prevent the heat gun from overheating. Control the temperature with the variable temperature dial and choose between 9 temperature settings, ranging from 140 degrees Fahrenheit to 932 degrees Fahrenheit. Also, take advantage of the 3-speed fan settings for further control. The corded product comes with 4 nozzles and 4 scraping tools to help complete DIY renovation projects. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like on this video. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel.